Hello, welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. Today, if you remember last episode, I am getting a bunch of wood so I can fix up Lurelin village. Because that needs to be done. If you didn't watch the last video, first off, I need to introduce you to Spot then. This is Spot. Spot here is my new horsey companion. So, it will be replacing Oreo as the horse that I ride all the time. Of course, when we go back in time to before I had. Oh, okay. To before I had Spot, then I'll ride Oreo. And of course, off camera, or sometimes I will still be taking Oreo around, like on runs and stuff, because I do that with all my horses. But last episode, as I told you, Lurelin village was being attacked, so we came by, we saved the place. Now we just need to rebuild the place. So that's what we're doing. We're getting a bunch of wood so you can rebuild. Can you carry any wood at all? Okay, you can carry two. We need 12. And that's your maximum speed. Okay, we're going faster than we were before. Never mind. You can only do that on hills. There's some logs over there, but there's also Whoa! Wait just 1 minute. I'm guessing you want me to add this to our log collection. Sheesh. How about a hi? How are you doing? To go with it. Don't get me wrong, I appreciate the whole man of a few words thing, but come on, I'm right here. Anyhow, go ahead and add this to the stockpile. Yeah, go ahead. Seeing someone work so hard on so little sleep warms my heart. Thank you, I'll be sure to take good care of this. Okay. Listen, I'm sorry, Bolson. I was just trying to get the treasure chest. I see treasure chests everywhere. I mean, you can't see them, but with me and my magical powers, I could see so much stuff in this water. Like, it's highlighted in orange. And then when I look at it, it's green. Wow. There's more logs. But thanks for getting after those logs. That makes 15 in our collection. We've got enough logs to make the repairs. We just need 20 bundles of Hylian rice.
Oh.
We're gonna restore this charming building to their former glory. You and me. I'll go collect them.
Oh.
Okay. So. Spot. We've done it. We got the wood. We did the hard part. Now we just need to go get the Hylian rice. So let me get you out of this vest. Would you call it a vest? Let me go get you out of it though. Here's the Hylian rice. Whoa, just look at you go. Like the hustle. First thing I've got to do is use those logs you collected to shore up the foundations of the buildings. Hold on tight just for a bit, okay? The foundations are nice and solid. Now it's time to move on to repairing the buildings. There are 5 buildings that need fixing. 3 of them are establishments, the inn, the restaurant, and the lucky treasure shop. 2 of them are homes, the village head house and the arms house. The repair process will depend on the building we're working on, so I'll explain to you once you decide where we start. Now we're getting to the real me, of which the great Lurelin village revival. Couldn't say that. So, which building should we get to working on? A home. We're building a house, are we? Which house is the lucky one? The village's head house. Oh, we're building the house for the head of the village, are we? Yes. The house is there. Oh, it's not looking too good. That there is the village head and his family live. They've been letting me stay with them too. It was so cozy. They even had a little something from Princess Zelda on display. Then came along those awful monsters. They had something from what? How about we head over and explain what we need to do to fix the place up? Yeah. Let's go. Okie doo. Please follow me. Alright, here we are. The central pillar is broken and we have to fix it pronto. After all, it provides vital support to the whole building. I already used the logs you collected to shore up the foundation, so look at this house over here. We need to stick a palm tree log through the detached hut too. There are even holes for a central pillar in the roof and the floor. That's where the log's supposed to go. Of course, there are plenty of logs to be had from the palm trees going around here. But we're gonna put those logs through the holes in the floor and the roof. I'd say it's a real stumper. Haha, very funny. Okay, well, luckily, I have something we can use here called Ultra Hand. I drop this box. Look out. And now I just need to put this through there. Alright, got it. It's perfect. I couldn't have found a better pillar to hold this place up myself. Just leave the rest to me. I'm on it. It's all done. From here on out, I'll have a comfy place to sleep at night. Oh, I thought I heard the sound of hammering coming from the house. It's exactly how it was before. Luckily, the house's main building went undamaged, but the detached hut where Bolson is staying was destroyed. I was so worried about finding a place for him to sleep, but not anymore. So you had to go through the trouble of fixing up our house. Here, I'd like to give you something for the repairs. It's the tastiest fish you can catch around here. Grill it, stew it, whatever you'd like. It's always delicious. There's a picture of Princess Zelda on display in the detached hut. Quick, let's make sure it's not damaged. Hey, there's no time for resting on the job. There's work to do. It ain't doing itself. Look, you and me, we're beasts of construction. We'll have this village put back together in no time. Oh, wow. Now, which building should we work some magic on? A home. A home specifically because I think it's important for the people of the village to have houses before we start working on, you know, their jobs. Where they're gonna work. They need shelter after all. The Arms house is the only one that still needs fixing. Arms house is there. I recall Arms saying he wanted a spot outside where he can display his biggest catches. Why don't we relocate Arms house for a bit? It'd be easier for me to explain. What we need to do. Let's go. Okay, follow me. Alright, here we are. Central pillar is broken, so we'll have to repair it pronto. Lately I shored up the building's foundation using the logs you collected for me. Okay, so we basically just have to do the same thing we did last time. Oh, I'll be taking this. Oh, that's pictures. Just take this. Okay. Did I overshot it? I think I did. There. It's just about in. Almost. Just gotta take it from here. Drop it in there. It's perfect. I couldn't have found a better pillar to hold this place up myself. The rest of me. I'm on it. Behold, what you see here is the work of a true craftsman. Oh, my house is fixed. You really fixed it. Thank you. I can finally get back to making a living. I'm really sorry I wasn't any help. Please take this as a kind of apology. I'll gladly take that. Now I can go fishing again. You know, I don't need very many fish to feed myself. I share the extras I catch with the other folks. I usually save them for the people here in the village, but I really owe you for fixing my house. If I have extras to share, I put them in front of my house. Please take whatever you need. Nice. Got some swords. I'll take it. This. Alright. 369. Lucky Treasure Shop is over there. It's a charming spot that travelers with a treasure game that rumor has it No one ever loses. Well, we head to the Lucky Treasure Shop so I can explain what we need to fix that baby up. Okay. A palm tree grew through the roof on the secondary story. Well, it was a bit of a landmark, actually. Well, the damage was worse than I thought. I built the foundation using the logs you collected for me. This building's so big that rather than connecting to the roof and floor, the palm tree log should go in the plant pot on the second floor, then up through the hole through the roof. Oh. When it comes to selecting a good palm tree log, make sure you get yourself a straight one, okay? Okay. Alright. I mean, I'd say this one here is a pretty good one. Yeah? Yeah, this looks pretty straight to me. Oh, and now make me another axe in case this one breaks. Now I have 2 axes. Just need to get the log up there. So set that there. And go up through here. It has to go through this and the pot. There's no hole at the bottom I have to put it through. So that's at least good. Oh no. Man, I threw my axe because I panicked. Where'd I drop it? There's logs sitting over here. Okay. Wasn't helpful to know earlier. Guess there goes an axe. At the very least I can move this log back up here before it fell. Okay. Where'd my axe go? I can't seem to find it. I know I threw it in this direction. But where? I don't think it went down the well. Have you seen it, Mr. Cow? Take that as a no. It's not in the bushes over here. I don't know where it went. Guess I'll just have to use this one for now. And to replace it. There. You've got to be kidding me. I didn't throw it. It was just right here. I thought I felt it throw all the way over there. Now I threw it and it landed right here. Oh, again. Well, I guess that's what I do when I'm scared or startled. I just throw stuff, which I mean I should have known that sooner. I do that a lot. It's perfect. I couldn't have found a better pillar to hold this place up myself. Just leave the rest to me. I'm on it. It's perfect. It's the biggest building in this village, so returning it to its former glory wasn't easy, but the owner's gonna love it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What exactly is going on here? Sent on a mission to rebuild the village? I was sure most had done my shopping. I heard pirates were gone and I came running. I can't believe I can open up my shop again. I never thought this day would come. This place means everything to me. My old man, rest his soul, left it to me. Here, please. Please, I have to thank you. Take this. My favorite. For a minute there, I thought I was in trouble. Thought they were gonna say you're not authorized to do this. Since you know this is normally Link's job. He gets paid for doing this, but I'm doing it this time. Him and Bolson normally do it. Alright. Bolson, let's get to building the last house. I'm pretty sure it is anyways. The end. As you can see, the frame and central pillar managed to hold up just fine. Yeah, I noticed. But if you look inside, you'll see there's a puddle of rainwater. Getting rid of the water won't be as difficult, but the junk in there is a hazard, will make it impossible for me to work. I don't want to damage the framing, and since we're lucky it's intact, I'm not sure how to get rid of that debris. It won't be easy, but we're gonna have to pull it out piece by piece from above. Once all the junk is gone, I'll start rebuilding work right away. It'll look incredible. Okay, slight issue, it's raining. Oh yeah. Yeah, this isn't great. It's not good at all. Take this out. So I was just told to take out the debris. Not actually empty the water. But I mean, it makes sense at the fact that, you know, it's filled to the brim with, well, water. It's raining right now. 2, it's been raining for like a while. Oh, well. Let me see this. It's been raining for a while. The last day or so I've been here, it's been raining. Just about the whole time, so it makes sense. Alright, Bolson, it's all out. It's all out. Well. I'm betting someone got rid of all that junk. That someone is you, by the way. Just leave the rest to me. Restore it to its formal glory. Some of my finest work, if I do say so myself. The owner can move back in any old time. What's going on? I thought the pirates destroyed my place. But here it is. It's good snow. Take it you're the owner? No! You two rebuilt it, didn't you? I was hiding out in the Gerudo region. In the southwest. It's just sand as far as the eye can see. I missed the ocean so much I had to come back, and then I found this place. I can't believe my end's all fixed up. I'm stunned. I'm sorry. I must give you a thank you gift. I brought this back as a little treat for everyone. Please come on and enjoy our famous salt spa. No time to waste. The inn's open for business as of today. So it seems I was wrong. We had 2 more left, and now we have 1. So this is the final building that needs to be fixed. The restaurant. Lurelin Bay is known for its incredible cuisine. You know, they offer dishes from all over the world. How about we relocate to the restaurant so I can do a better job explaining the work we need to do? Okay. Okie do. Please follow me. The central pillar is broken, so we'll have to repair it pronto. Okay, so this seems like it's not as hard of a job for me. It's more like one of the first ones we did. Like the houses. Glad the pirates are gone at least. I mean, they've attacked places before, but never this place. Never. Okay. I'll just take this one over here. I can just use this as a ramp. So much for using it as a ramp. I'll need to get up here. Come on. Any day now. I can't wait to report this back to Pyrrha. See what she thinks. She just thought I'm going on like a trip. She didn't realize I was doing all this. This wasn't exactly in my plans for the trip either. But I find it fun, so. Alright, it's ready. Get a load of my handiwork. Talk about a perfect restoration job. The old building skills are still sharp as nails. Now all we have to do is wait for the owner to return and... Hey, am I dreaming? But it was all broken before. Look, Zuta. Our house, it's all better too. I just came to check on the restaurant and my house, and I was worried about them. Was it you? Did you fix them? Thank you so much. Please, I want you to have this. Okay. All of the dishes we serve at our restaurant this is the one I'm most proud of. Please stop by anytime you're hungry. I'll treat you to meals like ones of which you've never tasted before. Hi! As of now, Lurelin Bay is open for business. Bolson, is it true? You bet it is. Every last building in the village is good as new. Incredible. How can I ever thank you? And to think, you restored the village so quickly. A feast is most certainly in order, though. Feast? I like feast. Did you hear that? A feast. He said a feast is in order. Oh dear, do you think I should change my outfit? The day the pirates attacked and overran the village, I was desperate to get everyone to safety. Before I knew it, our beloved home was gone. After everyone fled, the only sound coming from Lurelin village was the sound of monsters. I never dared dream I'd live to see the day we could all laugh together again like this. This moment, right now, it's all thanks to you. Of course, I'm extremely grateful to Bolson as well. No, there's no need to thank me. After all, when I first drifted into this village, you all welcomed me with open arms, didn't you? The work here I did, Bolson, thank you. This village owes you a debt. In fact, I think it's safe to say you're this village's savior. Now I've talked about this with the rest of the folks around here, and we do not have enough money or treasure to repay you for saving our home. That's fine. I don't need money or any payment. But the treasure we do have, well, is this village and everyone in it. So from now on, we'll do anything we can to share our hospitality with you. For this village's savior, I'll provide a bed for free anytime. You're also welcome to eat at the restaurant as much as you like, free of charge, of course. The villager's savior will not need to test his luck. May not need to test his luck. But I'm sure it'd be fun to play a treasure chest game once in a while. Please feel free to take anything you find in the village. Well, I'm awash in emotions. Feel free to take anything you like. Just ransack the whole village. I've become the pirates now. What? Too soon? Fine. Zuta. Naiuvi.
Oh.
Look lively. It's time for the... Lurelin revival the dance. Yes. What did I just witness? You know, well, the first part of this quest was, well, fighting and rebuilding. The last part, you know, the whole party and everything, that was nice. That felt more like a vacation to me. Ruined Village, thank you. But it's about time I get back to work.